So a whole video of all of my DIY squishies. I know that the lighting is really bad. I could tell. That makes me really sad. But okay, we're not talking about the lighting. We're literally talking about Cody behind the scenes. Just kidding. We're talking about like DIY squishies. Okay, don't mind Cody. Imagine Cody would go. Okay, we don't mind about them. So I'm gonna get the butter squishies first. So first one is this one. This one actually smells so good. Like probably my favorite one. And I have this like other butter squishy that actually like it's ripping kind of. And then I have this ginormous pink one that's not really squishy because I kind of did something to it. I accidentally had too much of it. I made this mini one. Wait guys, there's more. There's more. Now I made this one. Oh no! It popped. Okay, I got this for y'all, but boy, this one was actually my favorite. Popped in the middle of squishing it. But girls, we have mini ones. The mini red one. This is too, but wait. This one is probably the most cutest one. Those are butter squishies, so let's go on to the Koichi one thingy majiggies. Okay, so I got this Koichi thingy majiggy. And I also got this green one, and then I also got like a see-through one. That's the Koichis. And then I also have these egg pop thingy majiggies. So this one. So two are covered with slime. This is the slime one. This one has cold cotton in it. So that was all my squishy hauls. But I'm not gonna throw that one. So all my squishy hauls.